All right, so if your button does not work to release the tailgate, some of the electronics go through the right-hand front actuator, but it could be this. So if yours is not working, mine was very intermediate. I would do the fob, it would not work. I would do the fob again, it would work. Let me show you what I did to fix this. All right, so the first thing you have to do is turn these three knobs with the flat blade screwdriver, and you can pick up this carpet piece, just scoot it out from underneath, and that exposes this right here. So just unplug it, and then you can, and then just unscrew it. If you've got a P38, you're very familiar with this screw. A bunch of them, especially in the interior, the dash. And then the whole unit just rotates to the right and comes out. So the whole thing inside unscrews. We just need to take a little flat blade screwdriver, and then you can turn it to the left and the whole thing unscrews. Now what I found on mine is this spring was very, very rusty down here. It would not work that well. I'm gonna actually take out more of the rust, but just put it back together and everything works. So there's a possible fix for your tailgate latch button. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you test it before putting the carpet back, because if you close the tailgate and put the carpet back, you're going to have to kind of break into it and damage the carpet a little bit to get inside.